All right, folks, welcome back. What we got featured here today is the 1/18 scale or 1/16 scale modern era. Um, it's also compatible with the original G.I. Joe line. I just wanted to make it a little bit more realistic. Um, so it's modeled as far as dimensions and layout is modeled exactly like the Outpost Defender. Um, exactly the planks, uh, um, the bullet holes on the planks of the wooden planks, and the sandbags. I tried to get them as close as possible to the original ones as far as the layout is concerned. I did put a 50 cal in here. You got a couple figures in here. One of them is hydrating, sitting on an MRE box. Um, the build was fairly easy. The sandbags, they take probably a little bit longer to build. The sandbags is just material from Walmart or a craft store. I forgot where I got it at, but any kind of similar cloth. Just cut out a rectangle that's double wide lengthwise, and then fold it over and put glue in the inseams, and then turn it inside out, and you have a sandbag. After that, it's just about finding some regular sand and filling it up and tying off the ends with a little piece of string, and you have a sandbag. Just time consuming. This is balsa wood. This top is corrugated plastic, evergreen, I believe they make it. Paint and glue. That's about it. Fairly easy. It's just about taking your time and finding the materials. Beyond that, fairly easy build. Fairly straightforward. And now I have to find a little spot for it. I did build it on some foam board, and the foam board I just have to create a little just depending on where I want to display it. Just to maybe if I wanted to display it by itself, maybe build a little frame for it and then put it on the shelf. I don't know. It was fairly easy to build, so maybe I might sell it if it sells. Alright, folks, like usual, if you have any questions, just shoot me a message on YouTube or Facebook, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible.